Pillow returns the error, IOError, image file is truncated, 6 bytes not processed. I use Pillow 4.1.1 with Python 2.7, Django 1.9. I have dozens of thousands of user-uploaded pictures on my website and I use Pillow to generate thumbnails from the templates. For example, it was working very well until this week. Django now shows this error. Solutions found on Stack Overflow do not work, as they all apply to views and not templates. For example, imagefile.load_truncated_images equals true. Is there a simple way to identify which pictures generate this error? How to solve this bug? Here is the full traceback. Thank you.
Okay, I got the answer to my own question. As commented by Let's, just add. From pill import imagefile.load_truncated_images equals true. As early possible in the Django app. I added it to the view generating the page, and it works fine.